This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Next, identify the stereo harness. Find constant 12V, switch 12V, and ground so the equalizer can retain presets and power on with ignition. Once done, pick a mounting spot near the stereo or under a seat. Make sure the equalizer's chassis ground will reach the car's metal within 18 inches to prevent noise. Finally, route signal and power wires away from antenna and speaker cable bundle. You now connect signals. Run RCA preamp outputs from the head unit to the equalizer's inputs, keeping left and right pairs together to preserve phase. For power, tap the head unit's switch 12V through a 1 to 3 amp fused inline lead to the equalizer's remote turn-on so it powers only with the stereo. Use 18 to 12 AWG for any power runs and 22 to 24 AWG for signal leads. Once connected, snug all clamps and twist-free terminals, then tidy cables to avoid interference. You finish by reconnecting the battery and powering the system with low volume to confirm operation. Listen for clicks, hum, or distortion. Next, set the equalizer bands to flat and then make incremental boosts or cuts. Small changes prevent clipping and reveal resonant frequencies. If you hear hum, recheck grounds and separate power from audio lines. A ground loop isolator or moving the ground to a different chassis point often solves it. Once clean, secure the equalizer and reassemble panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.